Barclays Platinum Credit Card UK app. The pros, the cons. Barclays Platinum Credit Card UK app isn't just a shiny piece of plastic, it's a financial tool that can save you money and simplify credit management. Most people overlook its balance transfer and spending features, but here's the surprising truth: it can be a real game changer for disciplined users. Pros include a long 0% interest period on purchases and balance transfers, helping you manage debt efficiently. The app provides full control over your account, allowing you to monitor transactions, track spending, set up alerts, and even freeze your card instantly if it's lost. Contactless payments and widespread acceptance make everyday purchases convenient. On the flip side, the card isn't designed for rewards enthusiasts. Cashback and points are minimal. Interest rates after the 0% period are high, so it's important to pay off balances promptly. Annual fees may apply for premium versions, which could outweigh benefits for occasional users. Overall, the Barclays Platinum Credit Card UK app is ideal for anyone looking to manage balances, avoid interest, and enjoy full digital control. If used wisely, it's a smart, stress-free way to handle credit while keeping spending transparent.